Paque Dupatis, a migrant from Haiti, arrived at the U.S. border in Tijuana 3 days ago. While this city has more migrant refugees per capita than any other in Mexico, his timing couldn't have been worse. Amid the COVID-19 health crisis, every shelter he visited has turned him away.
That's closed for the coronavirus. It told me it cannot receive me because the virus corona is very dangerous. I'm staying here for 2 days.
Sleeping on the street?
Yeah, on the street. For the coronavirus, everything is closed.
As Mexico takes steps to limit the spread of COVID-19, migrant refugees are practicing social distancing. The situation is equally challenging for U.S. deportees. Roberto Murillo was deported to Tijuana and has been rejected wherever he has gone.
We arrived at the migrant shelter, but they told us they were closed straight away. We're not allowed inside.
At this migrant refuge, Central American families waiting for their U.S. asylum claims to be processed mix with migrants arriving from across the continent.
Despite the COVID-19 pandemic, U.S. deportation policy remains unchanged. That means migrants from U.S. detention centers where high turnover and crowding increase the risk of spreading the disease are being sent to repatriation points like Tijuana, adding to their already outcast status here.
Mexico announced this week that it would temporarily suspend all refugee requests for at least a month, leaving children like these stranded, given that in the U.S., processing is on hold too. Jose Garcia runs the migrant center and says new protocols won't stop people from migrating.
Mucha gente llega al norte, mucha gente viene buscando oportunidades de buscar entrar a Estados Unidos.
A lot of people arrive here looking for opportunities or a way to get into the United States, and they can bring the coronavirus contagion with them. But we know for certain that people will continue to migrate, perhaps not in the same numbers, but people will still leave their homes because their lives depend on it.
As the migration crisis in North America mixes with COVID-19, migrant concentration points may ultimately become pressure points for the pandemic as well. Alasdair, Baverstock, CGTN, Tijuana.